In the ever-evolving battlefield of mirrorless cameras, Nikon has just fired its next big shot, and the target is clear: Canon and Sony's dominance. The original Nikon Z8 made serious waves when it launched, being dubbed a baby Z9 thanks to its incredible image quality, blazing fast processing, and robust feature set, all wrapped in a more compact body. But now, Nikon is back and bolder than ever with the Z8 II, and this time, they're not playing safe. The leaks, early firmware hints, and subtle Nikon teasers all point to one thing: a camera that is not just a successor, but a statement of intent. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. The Z8 II is expected to launch in this video. We've gathered so far, it's not just an iterative refresh, it's a refined, re-engineered beast. Industry insiders are whispering about a new XP processor, enhanced AI-driven autofocus, and even global shutter integration, which could make the Z8 II one of the fastest and most accurate full-frame mirrorless cameras ever released. If this rumor holds, Nikon may have just one-upped Sony's Alpha 1 and Canon's R5 II, and that's saying something. At the heart of the Z8 II lies what's rumored to be a brand new XP8 image processor. While the original Z8 was powered by the same chip found in the flagship Z9, Nikon's engineers have reportedly developed a more efficient version, capable of delivering faster readout speeds, better thermal management, and more AI-centric features. Expect autofocus that not only locks onto subjects faster, but also adapts intelligently to environmental changes, be it wildlife, sports, or low-light scenes. The new processor is also expected to support improved dynamic range and noise handling, particularly in high ISO ranges. This could position the Z8 II as a hybrid powerhouse for professionals who switch rapidly between photo and video modes in demanding environments. One of the most shocking leaks to surface is the potential inclusion of a global shutter, making the Z8 II potentially Nikon's first camera to offer true distortion-free imaging even under fast movement. This would be monumental. A global shutter removes the rolling shutter effect, the wobbly, jello-like distortion seen in fast-panning or quick-moving subjects. If true, this would place Nikon on a collision course with Sony's recent global shutter-enabled sensor prototypes and give creators unprecedented freedom in both photography and videography. The Nikon Z8 was already celebrated for its impressive video capabilities: 8K 60p RAW recording, 10-bit N-Log, and ProRes 422 HQ support. But the Z8 II is expected to push things even further. Early firmware leaks suggest the camera could support 8K 60p internal recording with no crop, 4K 120 frames per second slow motion with audio, ProRes RAW HQ and NRAW simultaneous capture, in-camera LUT previews for cinematic grading on the fly. Add to that internal cooling improvements, and you're looking at a mirrorless camera that could seriously compete with professional Cine cameras, all without external rigs or overheating drama. In terms of physical design, the Nikon Z8 II is expected to retain the Z8's rugged, weather-sealed magnesium alloy chassis, but with small but meaningful refinements. We're talking a deeper grip with better ergonomics, a redesigned top display with real-time EVF data, an improved articulating LCD, possibly a 4-axis tilt-flip hybrid, dual CF Express plus SD card slots,